As you reach the top, you go like, okay, finally I'm here. But the road is very bumpy. वहाँ पर कुछ है नहीं देखने को. It's just a bunch of hurdles. As you pass those hurdles for the next 2.5 years, that is where phase 2 ends, and then you come downhill. So a good way to understand Sade Sati is Saturn is coming closer and closer to your moon. Saturn के लिए moon is an enemy. देखो, आप जब पैदा हुए थे, on your astrological chart, moon was positioned in some house. It was positioned in some zodiac sign. But today Saturn is placed in some other zodiac sign because time to change hua hai. Now once Saturn comes over your natal, which is your birthplace of moon, that is when we call Sade Sati start ho gayi aapki. But that is called the Sade Sati peak because Saturn is right on moon. Moon is such a sensitive planet in astrology that it is susceptible to not only the aspect but also Saturn being far and Saturn being very close to it. So if Saturn is 45 degrees away from moon on either side, its impact starts impacting the moon significantly. So Saturn has to transit total of 90 degrees for Sade Sati to get started and get over. Sade Sati har 30 saal baad nahi aati. It comes after every 23.5 years to you because
I learned it now.
Because if Saturn comes on moon every 30 years, it will take 3.25 years, before it actually 3.75 years before it hits the moon, and 3.75 years after it hits the moon. So remember this, Sade Sati is a 7.5 year turbulent time in your life. You don't have to get worried about it because you can't avoid it.
Right.
अगर आप किसी चीज को अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते, इट इज कमिंग योर वे, तो डरने की क्या बात है. यू हैव टू लर्न टू एक्सेप्ट इट, यू हैव टू अडेप्ट. सैटर्न इज द प्लैनेट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क, suffering. He brings lot of rules, regulations, and he doesn't give you because he likes you. He gives you because you deserve it. Moon, on the other hand, is your emotion, your mental stability, your mind, your adaptability. Now imagine, stress is on your mind, stress is on your adaptability, hard work is on your emotional integrity. You are going to feel a little down. So what ये जो साढ़े सती है, it is a feared phase because one, you are going to go through some hardship, and two, because the astrologers will scare you.
Yeah.
क्या हो गया, आपकी
That
साढ़े सती
happens.
start हो गई. In fact, today I had a show in New York in which one of the RJs, Kulraj, said, I was talking to a friend, उसने कहा यार इनकी तो साढ़े सती चल रही है. So
Pity.
it's pity. Exactly.
pity.
It is pity for the person. But
बेचारे की.
But then explain to me, why were you not feeling pity for Jawaharlal Nehru or Narendra Modi or Donald Trump or Manmohan Singh when they became prime ministers or presidents? Why did you not feel pity for them? Why were you happy for them? Explain to me.
Because we didn't know कि वो साढ़े सती में they achieved so much.
So साढ़े सती क्या होता है? It is a period of delayed events. It doesn't matter what your zodiac sign is. It doesn't matter आपका Saturn अच्छा है, बुरा है, Moon अच्छा है, बुरा है. There will be delays in your life. There will be transformations in your life. These series of physical, material, emotional and psychological changes will improve you in being a better person, but at the same time will distort your view of the world. Whether you like it or not, Saturn keeps a record of your karmic duties, your karmic debts. It is basically a wake-up call, in my opinion, from the world that says, okay, 23.5 years ho gaye. Let's see how you've done in the last 23.5 years, because I have to give you results, whether it is good or whether it is bad. Again, Sade Sati will bring you delays. It will bring you obstruction. It will bring new enemies. It might even bring you illness. But there is a reason why some people achieve a lot in Sade Sati, because they have been working hard at it. Life में hard work कीजिए, life में progress कीजिए, life में don't think, like I said, what is logically or emotionally right. Do what is right. Sade Sati will not be able to do anything to you. There are some brilliant rules for Sade Sati which we'll go over. I've heard many people say कि if your Saturn is a good planet, Sade Sati अच्छा रहेगा. अच्छा कुछ नहीं रहता. Sade Sati is not good. You think when you become Prime Minister of India or the President of the US, things are good? They're not good. You have more responsibility. You have more stress. You have more enemies. Your health goes down. This is what Sade Sati will do to you. But you have to learn to appreciate what you have. You have to get your confidence together and say, I know what I want, I'm going to give it my 100%. And that's why Sade Sati, that difficult period, is feared by people. We'll explain completely in detail how to calculate it, what it means, what the phases are, what the remedies are, if it is good for you or bad for you. हम सब समझाएंगे. It's going to take a series of shows, okay? But it is all about you. If you think things are not working out for you, if you think things are going in the wrong direction, if you कोई कहते हैं हमारा काम अटक अटक के चलता है,
Yeah.
लेकिन अगर आपका काम चल रहा ही नहीं हो, just do one thing, go to my website. वहाँ पर एक साढ़े सती कैलकुलेटर है. Enter your name, enter your date of birth, place of birth, and see आपका चल रहा है कि नहीं. It will tell you. It's going on, not going on.
That's interesting.
Okay?
So saketbhatia.com is the website जहाँ आप जा सकते हैं and you can try this calculator, Sade Sati calculator, which Dr. Bhatia just mentioned. And info@saketbhatia.com is where you can write to him if you have any particular question or anything you want to discuss with him. Or else just give him a call directly, 408-639-5300. Once again, Dr. Saket Bhatia ka number is 408-639-5300. सुन रहे हैं आप द साकेत भाटिया एस्ट्रोलॉजी शो एंड वी विल बी ओपनिंग द फोन लाइन शॉर्टली. सो हम कैलकुलेशन की बात कर रहे हैं साढ़े सती. सो व्हाट आर द फॉर्मूलाज, लाइक बेसिक जो कैलकुलेशन होती है वो कैसे करते हैं?
Saturn spends 2.5 years in one zodiac sign. If your moon is placed in Aries, astrologer कहता है when the sign before Aries is Pisces, the sign after Aries is Taurus. Astrologer कहते हैं when Saturn enters Pisces and Saturn leaves Taurus, that is your Sade Sati. But that seems to be wrong because the assumption is moon is sitting right in the middle of Aries. Now let's assume moon is sitting right at the start of Aries. 0 degrees Aries में बैठा है. Then your Sade Sati doesn't start in Pisces. It actually starts
Way before Pisces.
Way before. It will start
Yeah.
15 degrees of Aquarius.
Oh.
You will have to suffer from Saturn in Aquarius, Pisces, Aries,
And Taurus.
and Taurus.
Oh my god.
So this is the traditional calculation, which is moon जहाँ है, 2 signs, 1 sign before, 1 sign after. But एक alternate calculation भी है. The alternate calculation basically says wherever the moon is placed, 45 degrees before that and 45 degrees after that, साढ़े सती होनी चाहिए. So think of the zodiac. It is 360 degrees, right? You have 45 degrees before moon, 45 degrees after moon, 90 degrees, which represents 1/4 of the zodiac. Do you agree that it's okay to believe that the world's population is diversified in the zodiac, which means 1/4% of the world is going through Sade Sati at any time?
So it's a common problem. We can be relieved with that.
25%. No. It is not a problem. It is a common incidence, a common occurrence, not a problem.
Yes. We
You-
need to correct that.
It's similar to having a child. You can have childbirth, which is easy, or which is, these days some people say, I just want a C-section, I'll have a baby. Some say, no, I want a natural delivery. Both are painful. One is more, one is less. That is what Sade Sati is like. It will be painful. It can be very painful, or it can be less painful.
But still you're saying it's just an occurrence, not
You cannot avoid it.
yes.
Now the question becomes, how many Sade Satis will somebody have in their life?
So it's coming after 23.5 years.
If you're just born in Sade Sati, imagine a
Oh.
child who's born with Sade Sati. His Sade Sati will again be at 30 years peak, another 30 years peak, another 30 years peak.
Yeah.
He'll have 4. Somebody on the other hand who's born जब Sade Sati खत्म हुई है, his first will be after 30 years, second after 60. So for him it's a lot easier.
Yeah.
There is no set formula. There is no mathematical equation. The only thing we know is you should not worry about it because it is going to hit you. Depends on what you've done, depends on how you will adapt, because this is moon. Adapt kijiye. Fix your planet, fix your moon. Make sure Saturn doesn't hurt you. We'll go through some rules, we'll go through some myths.
Can we quickly take some calls?
Sure.
There are callers waiting. Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia. Thanks for holding.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, hello. Hello, Saket ji. I'm just your regular listener. I just wanted to understand that my contract just ended. I'm looking for new opportunities.
Okay.
I just wanted to understand then I will basically get a full time or a consulting role.
What is your
My
name?
my name is Raman.
Okay, Raman, and what is your date of birth?
29th November 74.
29th November 1974. Okay.
2:20 a.m. in Chennai.
Okay. And your question is job related, right?
Job related. When will I get? And will that be a full time role with one of the good companies that I really want in my wish list, or it's going to be something like a consultant role again?
So you
And when will that be?
you have knowledge of astrology, right? You've called before.
Yes,
I
I do.
I know this chart
Yes,
very
I
well.
called before.
Moon
Yep.
exalted in Taurus, 0 degrees, 2 degrees, 3 degrees. तो आपकी जो जो
Yep.
जो चार्ट है, your life is run by the planet Mercury. Do you agree? Because Mercury
Yep.
is your ascendant. You have 3 combust planets: Mars, Mercury, Venus. Your Mercury is sitting at 0 degrees in an even sign. A planet which is sitting at 0 degrees in an even sign like your ascendant will not have a lot of strength. I agree it is in a friendly sign, right? But uski Shadbala kam hai. The reason I'm saying all this is because he's also the lord of your 10th, which is your career house. Okay.
Mhm.
Right now you are running Jupiter Moon Dasha. Moon is
Correct.
exalted in Taurus. If I look at your Navam's chart, Moon is still considered to be strong. It's sitting in the 9th house. Jupiter is at this point of time with Moon 4 houses away. That's a good symbolical representation. You lost your job now. You want to know when you will get one, right?
Correct.
I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but it appears you could get something if you want. A steady job in a good company is not happening till September of 25. But if you want a short-term contract, you could get that towards October of 2024. So October 2024 is a good time to get, short contract. Again, you might lose that. But another one will happen towards May of 2025. But a really good time for you to get the job that you want, the job you desire, the job you dream. For that will happen towards 2025 September. So don't worry about it. Just go with the flow. See how it works out. You'll be fine.
Is it possible that my Gajkeshri Yoga is not really like a yoga here?
Gajkesari Yoga is when Jupiter is at angle from the ascendant or moon, number 1. Jupiter must not be combust, number 2. Jupiter must not be retrograde, number 3. Moon should not have Ketu or Rahu with it. So although you have the Gajkesari Yoga, the fact that Ketu is sitting with Moon becomes a problem. Remember one more thing. In any Kundli, Lord of 11th cannot form a yoga. Does that make sense? In your Kundli, Moon is Lord of 11th. Lord of 11th will stall any yoga. It will stall its own Gajkesari Yoga. Do not overthink it. I have not seen, including me, Gajkesari Yoga has not been beneficial for me also. It's not beneficial for many people. You will be fine. I'm not worried about your chart at all. Placements achhi hai. You'll be absolutely fine. And do me a favor. Send me your resume. info@saketbhatia.com. We do know lots of people. We'll see what we can do for you. Okay?
Sure.
Good luck. Bye.
Thank you so much for your call. You can connect with Dr. Bhatia 408-639-5300 or saketbhatia.com is the website for all the information regarding him. Listeners, सुन रहे हैं आप the Saket Bhatia Astrology Show and this is the time where you can call us if you have any question. 510-770-1550, that's the studio line number. Do give us a call if you have a quick question for Dr. Saket Bhatia. He's live on air with us and you can give us a call right now. Be ready with your date, time and place of birth when you're calling for yourself or for any of your loved one. Once again, the studio line number is 510-770-1550. We have another caller waiting.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
यस
Hi.
हेलो नमस्कार जी.
Namaskar.
मैंने पिछली बार भी आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा था, मेरा द्वारा फिर वही क्वेश्चन है.
फिर से पूछिए,
मेरे
मुझे याद नहीं.
हाँ चलो कोई नहीं. मेरे से ड्राइविंग क्यों नहीं होती? थोड़ी देर चलती हूँ, आगे जाकर ऐसे होता है जैसे मेरी गाड़ी के आगे कोई चीज खड़ी, फिर मेरे से चलती नहीं गाड़ी.
इज इट वहम हो गया आपको कि आई साइट, और व्हाट इज द इशू?
बस ड्राइविंग होते डर लगता है ड्राइविंग करते हुए।
आप ड्राइविंग स्कूल जाते हो कि खुद पे
मैं
कर रहे
तो
हो?
नहीं, मैं तो काम किया है, ड्राइविंग बहुत की है। अब फोबिया हो गया।
अब डरते हो ड्राइविंग करने से?
हाँ, डर लगता है।
क्यों? तो उसमें
स्पीड में तो मैं चला लेती हूँ, जब बड़ी जैसे काइफर रोड है,
हाँ,
होमस्टेड है, इसमें मैं तो चलती, पीछे गाड़ी आके खड़ती है, मैं नर्वस हो जाती हूँ।
क्यों?
मालूम नहीं।
जितना आप डरते हो पास वाले भी उतना ही डरते हैं। आई मीन ना आप उनको मारोगे ना वो आपको मारेंगे, तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है? सिंपल रूल, जैसे एस्ट्रोलॉजी में हम कहते हैं, फॉलो द रूल्स एंड ऑटोमेटिकली थिंग्स विल हैपन। आपके पास अपना डेट प्लेस टाइम है?
यस।
व्हाट इज योर डेट ऑफ बर्थ?
11/26/1950।
नवंबर 26, 1950।
50।
अच्छा, एंड योर प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ?
इंडिया, बसी पठाना, 3:30 PM।
कौन से स्टेट में?
इंडिया, पंजाब में।
अच्छा, पंजाब में। कौन सी सिटी थी? आई एम सॉरी।
बसी पठाना।
अच्छा, आई होप द सॉफ्टवेयर कैन फाइंड इट।
You're gonna find out.
यस, इट डिड फाइंड इट। ओके,
Yeah.
चलो मिल गया। तो आप जो गाड़ी की बात कहते हो, दैट इज टिपिकली टाइड विथ फोर्थ हाउस, व्हीकल्स, वीनस। ये होता है गाड़ी का। वीनस तो आपका फोर्थ हाउस में बैठा है। मून जो है उसकी शतबाला गलत है। दशा चल रही है मर्क्यूरी जुपिटर की। तो मेरे हिसाब से यू हैव नो प्रॉब्लम।
You have no problem.
यू
ऐसा
हैव
क्यों?
नो प्रॉब्लम। आई डोंट इवन, मर्क्यूरी और जुपिटर की दशा में तो एक्सीडेंट भी नहीं है। तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है आपको? कुछ भी नहीं। फोबिया निकालिए। देयर इज नथिंग इन दिस चार्ट दैट वरीज मी।
Oh boy. Okay.
नवंबर 2023 से मर्क्यूरी जुपिटर दशा स्टार्ट हुई थी। उसके बाद वो एक्सीडेंट की दशा है नहीं। फिर मर्क्यूरी सैटर्न आता है, वो एक्सीडेंट की दशा नहीं है। तो प्रॉब्लम कुछ भी नहीं है। 2028 अक्टूबर तक तो आपकी दशा सारी अच्छी है।
ऐसे क्यों होता है? मुझे फील होता है मैं गिर जाऊंगी। ऐसे क्यों फील होता है?
आई डोंट नो। एस्ट्रोलॉजी में थोड़ा स्टडी
कुछ नहीं
करना
है।
पड़ेगा। मुझे तो दिख नहीं रहा कुछ। थोड़ा डर निकालिए। लर्न टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट। लाइफ अच्छी जाएगी आपकी।
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your call. And one more input, आप डॉक्टर भाटिया का शो सुनिए with lot of motivation, lot of inspiration. I'm sure you'll be getting over this. Thank you so much for calling. Listeners, आप भी अगर कॉल करना चाहते हैं अभी with any question you have in your mind, 510-770-1550 is the number. Studio lines are open. You can give us a call if you have any quick question. If you would like to connect with Dr. Bhatia after the show for a detailed consult, do connect with him by calling 408-639-5300. Once again, 408-639-5300. और saketbhatia.com वेबसाइट है अगर अभी नंबर नहीं ले सकते. So do look for the number on the website saketbhatia.com. We have another caller waiting.
श्योर।
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
हेलो, हाँ जी डॉक्टर भाटिया साहब, मेरा अपना एक क्वेश्चन है अपनी बेटी के बारे।
ओके, आपके बेटी का नाम या डेट ऑफ बर्थ कुछ तो दीजिए।
उसका नाम है भारती।
अच्छा,
डेट ऑफ बर्थ है December 25, 1992, रात 10:05।
रात 10:05। ओके।
है ना? उस क्रिसमस 25 या हाँ।
अच्छा,
प्लेस है पंजाब
कौन सी सिटी?
कोटकपुरा।
ओके, और आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है?
उसके बारे पूछना, उसके बेबी का भी कब हो सकता है, क्या क्या उसकी लाइफ में।
बच्चा कब होगा बेसिकली?
हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी।
तो आपका क्वेश्चन है बच्चा, शादी को कितने साल हो गए इनके?
2022।
2022। तो देखिए, ये जो कुंडली बनती है आपकी डॉटर की, भारती की,
हाँ जी।
दिसंबर 25, 1992 रात के 10:05, कोटकपुरा
हाँ जी,
पंजाब
ठीक
में,
है।
राइट? तो मैं जो चार्ट
हाँ
बनी
जी।
है इसमें जो असेंडेंट है जो हम कहते हैं वो है लियो।
हाँ जी हाँ जी।
लियो का रूलर होता है सन। आपका असेंडेंट
जी।
है 8 डिग्री पे, और जो असेंडेंट लॉर्ड है वो बैठा है 5वें घर में, जो बच्चों का घर है, और
ठीक
वो
है।
बैठा है 10 डिग्री पे। इसका मतलब सन बहुत स्ट्रांग है। कुंडली में सन
ठीक है।
डिबिलिटेटेड नहीं है। अगर मैं नवम चार्ट देखूं तो वहां पर भी सन कैंसर में है। तो इसका ये मतलब है जिस घर में असेंडेंट लॉर्ड बैठता है उस घर की फ्लरिशमेंट होती है। अभी पांचवा
जी।
घर जो है ये रोमांस का घर है, ये
हाँ जी।
स्पेक्यूलेशन इंटेलिजेंस का घर है, एडवाइस का घर है, बच्चों का भी घर है। और बच्चों का
हाँ
जो
जी।
कारक है, जो जुपिटर है,
हाँ जी।
वो दूसरे
हाँ
घर
जी।
में है और वो न्यूट्रल डिग्निटी में, उसके ऊपर कोई गलत एस्पेक्ट तो है नहीं। राहु
हाँ
की
जी।
दशा में बच्चे और शादी होती है। 2022 में शादी हो गई, अब 2025 से पहले बच्चा हो जाना चाहिए। अगर
ओके,
2020, देखिए क्या होता है, दशा होती है एस्ट्रोलॉजी में, दशा आती है
ठीक
फिर
है।
जाती है। हम गारंटी के
हाँ
साथ कह
जी।
सकते हैं कि अगर जुपिटर जैसे अब टॉरस में है, उसका एस्पेक्ट
हाँ
नहीं गिर
जी।
रहा, अभी अगले साल जुपिटर जाएगा जेमिनाई में, मई में। तो
हाँ जी।
मई से
हाँ
पहले
जी।
बच्चे का चांस इज ऑलमोस्ट सर्टेन, एंड एस्ट्रोलॉजी के हिसाब से द जेंडर शुड बी बॉय।
Oh,
ओके,
we need a girl.
no, you can get what you want, but there is no difference. I am saying astrology के हिसाब से क्या दिखता
Okay,
है।
thank you.
Okay,
Yeah, thank you.
bye.
Thank you so
Okay,
much for your
thank
call.
you. Thank you so much.
दिल तोड़ दिया आपने. Listeners, आप भी कॉल कर सकते हैं if you have any question. And thanks to all the callers who are calling us and are ready with the date, time, and place of birth. So if you're calling us, 510-770-1550, and be ready with the date, time, and place of birth.
See, one thing I want to say is when
जी.
जब कोई कॉल करते हैं and they ask a question, there are so many things we have to do. First we have to look at the chart, but there are so many things we don't say also. For example, ascendant कहाँ है, डिग्री कहाँ है, कारक कहाँ है, उसका लॉर्ड कहाँ है, नवम्स में कैसे बैठा है, D60 चार्ट में कैसे है. There are so many charts open here. So people have to, listeners have to get कि हमें थोड़ा टाइम चाहिए. We don't want to give you a wrong answer. If I cannot give you an answer, I will tell you I cannot answer. But wrong नहीं देना हमको. Okay?
We have another caller.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
डॉक्टर भाटिया, मुझे अपनी सिस्टर के बारे में पूछना है.
Sure.
उसकी डेट ऑफ बर्थ है 6 दिसंबर 1962
Okay.
at 12:05 a.m. which is basically 5 मिनट होके 6 तारीख चालू हुई है.
Okay. And where is your sister born?
चंडीगढ़.
Okay. And what is your question?
So the question is that she runs a business from her home. She wants to wrap up the business, so she has a lot of inventory left. She wants to wrap up the business, liquidate it, and sell the home so that she can downsize to a smaller retirement place. तो उसका क्वेश्चन है कि वो कब तक कर पाएगी ये.
She wants to downsize, right?
हाँ, उसको अपना बिजनेस लिक्विडेट करना है, इन्वेंट्री खत्म करना है, मतलब फेंकना नहीं है.
Okay. ये
किसी तरह से
जो business है, is
हाँ.
it in partnership or is it just her doing it?
No, just her.
So partnership नहीं है तो 7th house will not be impactful. यहाँ 10th house देखना पड़ेगा. ये जो ascendant है, यहाँ भी sun ascendant है, and sun is sitting in the 4th house with Mercury. जब Mercury
जी.
sun से 5-6 डिग्री ऊपर होता है, then it's considered good. If it's 8 degrees, it makes the person very intelligent. इस कुंडली के हिसाब से ascendant lord, sun and Mercury का 6 डिग्री का फर्क है. जो बिजनेस का लॉर्ड है इज Mercury. ओके, कारक आई मीन. लेकिन जो लॉर्ड है वो वीनस है. वीनस केतु के साथ बैठा है, एंड केतु मीन्स यहाँ से 7, 8, 9 घर दूर, विच इज हाउस ऑफ लक. अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये दशा खत्म हो जाएगी इन 8 months. माई सजेशन 8 महीने में खत्म करिए.
अच्छा, ये जो करंट दशा चल रही है आप कह रहे हो,
आई रेकमेंड वीनस केतु दशा में अगर बिजनेस खत्म कर सकते हो, इट इज बेटर, बिकॉज जुपिटर ट्रांजिट में टॉरस में है, विच इज द सेकंड हाउस, 10th हाउस इन दिस केस. इट इज बेनिफिशियल, इट विल हेल्प. अगर आप ये मिस करते हो फिर सन दशा आ जाएगी, सन विच इज ऑल अबाउट हरसेल्फ, उसके बीच में नहीं होगा कुछ. देन शी इज गोइंग टू हैव टू वेट ऑल द वे डाउन टिल आई वुड से 2027. अगर रैप अप करना है, डू इट बिफोर February 27, 2025. Otherwise, it will get pushed to March 2027. बीच में 4
So, Dr. Bhatia, Venus के साथ तो केतु नहीं है, Saturn के साथ केतु है ना 6th house में.
that doesn't matter. Saturn अपने ही घर में, 6th house is the house of service, it is the house of disease, it is the house of death. 10th house is the house of career.
Correct.
देखिए लाइफ में हर एक चीज असेंडेंट पे डिजाइन होती है. द करियर इज ओनली द लेवल ऑफ सक्सेस यू विल गेट इन योर करियर इज रूल्ड बाय द 10th हाउस एंड द 10th हाउस लॉर्ड. इसलिए कह रहा हूँ 10th हाउस लॉर्ड की दशा चल रही है. वीनस केतु की दशा चल रही है. वीनस और केतु 4 घर दूर है. When planets are 4 house, it means more emphasis on your home, on your happiness. Sell, get out better now, otherwise you will be stuck. Okay?
Okay. Dr. Bhatia, एक और
Ma'am,
question.
excuse me. Actually, callers are waiting. I'm so sorry. We won't be able to answer
Can I
more
call
questions.
back?
You can call Dr. Bhatia directly. His number is 408-639-5300. Once again, 408-639-5300. And all the listeners who are trying to call us, I apologize, but we have to stick to one question per caller. And you can definitely connect with Dr. Bhatia after the show for a detailed consultation, 408-639-5300, or saketbhatia.com is the best way to connect. We have one more caller waiting.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Yeah, I have a question for my husband.
Sure.
His name is Balchandra, and his birth date is June 18, 1962.
June 18th, 1962.
Yes.
Okay.
And birth timing is 11:25 p.m.
Okay. 2325. And place of birth?
Bhusawal, Maharashtra.
Okay. And what is your question?
When he will get the permanent job? Actually, he got a short-term contract after a long time.
Okay.
So we are looking for permanent job.
So he has a contract job right now. When did he get the contract job?
Yes, just 2 months back.
Acha, so 2 months back his Jupiter Dasha started. Actually that started sometime in February 29, 2024. So this chart that I'm looking for your husband, he is an Aquarius ascendant. His Saturn ascendant lord is retrograde, sits with Ketu. Jab ascendant lord becomes retrograde, it causes some delay in life. Also Mercury, which happens to be the 5th lord, is retrograde. Venus, however, the 9th lord, sits with Rahu, which in this Kundali is neutral. I don't see any debilitated planets. Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo. Venus, however, is debilitated. So the key question is, when will he get a permanent job?
Yes.
For permanent job, we will see his 10th house. We will see aspect on the 10th house. I don't see any bad aspect on the 10th house. The 10th house lord, Mars, is sitting in its own house in Aries. He also aspects that house. When a planet aspects its own house, it makes it ultra strong. But Venus in the Navam's chart is debilitated and happens to be the lord of the 10th. I don't see any cancellation of debilitation rules either. So we'll have to take a step back. Jupiter Dasha is going on right now. Jupiter represents the first half will be 11th house, second half will be 2nd house. Money wise, he's not having a problem. There is no issue. He has to wait. I don't want to say something negative, but it appears 18th April 2026, which is still, almost 2 years away.
Oh, so he will get the job in 2026?
Stable, good job is happening in 2026. No, I don't see it happening before that.
Okay. How about his health?
Ma'am,
Health, you must be careful. A debilitated planet will cause problems. When I see Venus sitting in the house of Cancer with Rahu, I know you'll have problems. You have a direct aspect of Saturn. You have to check his health. It's not going to be easy. Unfortunately, I won't be able to answer that in detail now.
Yeah, he just had a triple bypass last year. So yeah, that's why.
It doesn't surprise me. It does not surprise me that Venus Dasha is going to be nasty for him. And Rahu was sitting in the 6th house. So Rahu, Mars, if he had it 2 years ago, Moon represents flow of blood. That problem started in October of 2021. It went up in February of 2023. His health, my suggestion is everything will be fine until 2026 when he gets the job. That's when his health will again get hit a little. If you can avoid it, good. Call us offline. We'll talk. There are good ways to help. He has no bad planets. Okay, he has good planets. So let's fix this.
Okay.
Thank you for your call. Do connect with Dr. Bhatia directly. 408-639-5300 is the number, or saketbhatia.com. So as you have educated the entire Bay Area, I can see that the callers who are calling us, they have some prior knowledge of their own Kundali and they know what to ask. So on that ground, let's talk about some promoting facts and some like removing myths about the Sade Sati.
So let's say people generally think ki Sade Sati is going to be nasty, it's going to destroy my life.
I am one of those.
Because you're afraid of working hard, which is not true, right? No, from what I know,
No, not at all.
you're not at all worried. I mean, it's like parenthood. You don't know what to expect. It comes, it's hard, but then it gives you good results. Think of it like that. So let's talk about what Sade Sati does, right? First, myth or truth. Saturn, if it is a yoga karak planet, it is going to do wonders for you. Yes and no. देखो, yoga karak planet जो है, it means a planet which is ruler of, let's say, 1, 5, 7 or 9 or 4. काफी combination है 1, 4, 5, 7, 9 or 10. If it is placed in any one of those other houses, it becomes a yoga karak planet. But yoga रोकने के लिए इतने सारे rules हैं. There cannot be a bad aspect, retrograde. But in general, a yoga karak planet अगर है Saturn आपकी कुंडली में, he's not retrograde, he's not stalled, he's not debilitated, he's not combust, then yes, Sade Sati will be easy for you. Easier than most people. On the other hand, अगर आपकी कुंडली में Saturn happens to be a bad planet, Lord of the 11th, it's going to be nasty. अगर Saturn की dignity, हम dignity बहुत use करते हैं ये word. Dignity is placement of house in a sign and how far that planet is from the ruler of the lord of the sign in which he's placed. Confusing but easy to understand for us.
It was a tongue twister for me.
अगर Saturn की dignity खराब है, Sade Sati is going to be hard. अगर आपकी दशा या महादशा चल रही है Saturn की, then Sade Sati is going to be even worse for you. I don't care if it's a yoga karak planet or if it is a bad planet or a good planet. अगर Saturn की दशा चल रही है, it will create havoc for you, for sure.
I have a question on this. हमने planet का maturity के level पे बात किया था. So does that affect Sade Sati as well?
Absolutely.
It
Absolutely. अगर आपकी Sade Sati is happening before your Saturn matures at 36 years old, good. एक बार Saturn mature हो गया तब तो पूरा effect आएगा.
Oh.
So plus Saturn doesn't like sun. Saturn doesn't like moon. So if your moon is placed in the sign of sun, or Saturn is transiting the sign of sun or moon for Sade Sati, it's going to damage you more. So these are some bad things, right? When you do Sade Sati, Saturn is a strict planet. He keeps a logbook of all the good things you've done, all the bad things you've done, and he's going to give you results. There are many times हम पढ़ते हैं, and this is very interesting for you and for the listeners. Right? When we see documents of cases where a convict is suddenly arrested after 25 years, the first thing we do is we look at his date, place, time of birth. If we don't have it, we look at things that have happened in his life and we create a chart. And based on that, we can then say easily कि इसके Sade Sati चल रहा है, it was time for him to repay. Remember, this is very straightforward, very easy for us to figure out. जब राम और रावण का वॉर चल रहा था, रावण की Sade Sati चल रही थी. He knew that. If you read Ramayana, it says there. He was told, तुम्हारी Sade Sati चल रही है. He lost the war. So Sade Sati is not, Saturn आपको award नहीं देगा for being lazy. He is not going to give you an award for getting worried. He is not going to say, अच्छा तुम्हें डर लग रहा है, अगले साल करते हैं Sade Sati. No. He is here. He is the law. He says, I am going to do what I want to do and you will have to suffer. But remember, this is also the time when positive things can happen. Promotions, recognitions, start of a new business. There are so many things जो Sade Sati देगी तुमको, right? These adverse effects जो Saturn देता है, think of these as tests. These are tests that you have to go through in life. So you have the positive results for them. हम बात करेंगे 3 phases of साढ़सती, अगर टाइम है तो वी हैव सम टाइम.
जी
There is the school of astrology, which is the International Association of Astrologers, जो हम जिसके member हैं, which believes that साढ़े सती is actually not a damaging phase, but a challenging phase in your life. I am not trying to say कि people have not suffered. बहुत suffering होती है. Emotional distress, mental harassment, physical torture. People get all kinds of heart attack and all ailments and stuff. But again, when Jawaharlal Nehru, Donald Trump, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi, when these people become prime ministers, presidents, or Emmanuel Macron, when they become prime minister, presidents of their country, and the list is endless. People taking companies public on the stock exchange during Sardsati. क्यों होता है? We are going to divide Sardsati. I'm going to explain this very, very simply for you. 3 phases of Sardsati. 3 phase हैं इसके. There is phase 1, there is phase 2, and there is phase 3. जब एस्ट्रोलॉजी में तुम दशा पढ़ते हो, you have to say तुम्हारी सन की दशा चल रही है. So you rotate the chart to sun.
ओके
And then sun से Jupiter 4 घर दूर है, so we'll say impact is going to be present on your house because 4 घर दूर है. अगर दशा चल रही है Venus की, which is 7 houses, we'll say okay, impact is on relationship and so on. But Sardsati जहाँ चल रही है, we will now center your chart around your moon. So all the listeners, moon पे हम डालेंगे. The first phase is when Saturn is 12 houses away from moon because he's still not reached the moon. What is 12th house? The house of letting go. Step number 1. That is what I'm going to explain. You have to learn to let go of things in your life that you are attached to, that may not have much meaning, or things that you might lose. You have to learn to let go. The results can be positive or negative depending on how Saturn is placed. अगर आपका साढ़सती है और Saturn bad planet है, make your moon strong. How to make moon strong? Make sure there is a positive aspect on the moon. Let's make sun strong. Let's make Jupiter strong. Moon के friends है Mercury. Let's make Mercury strong. Any planet which can boost the strength of moon will help you get through Sardsati in a very positive way.
ओके
Number 1. अगर आपका वैसे ही साढ़सती चल रहा है लेकिन आपका मून और जुपिटर कंजंक्ट है इन अ वेरी गुड प्लेसमेंट, कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकेगी साढ़सती आपकी. स्ट्रेस देगा बट इट विल बी पॉजिटिव फॉर यू. Okay, so step 1, the first phase when Saturn is 12 houses away, before it can come towards moon, it is a time of letting go of things. Good things will happen if you work hard, bad things will happen if you don't work hard. Since ये 12 घर दूर है, you will lose something. Relationship, health, stress, कुछ ना कुछ तो lose करोगे आप life में. The question is, what will you lose? Look at your planets. Look at where moon is. Look at where Saturn is. What they represent. You will get an idea. Are you going to lose a loved one? Are you going to lose your relations? You're going to lose your job. I'll give you a classic example. From this show, last year, I had an individual come to me who said, I just lost my job. We looked at his chart. Sardsati chal raha tha. It was impacting his 10th house. He said, okay, you've lost your job. But for him, Saturn was a yoga karak planet which was very nice. I know he's listening to the show. He was sitting in the office literally crying, I have a house, I have bills to pay, I cannot afford it, kids go to private school. He couldn't get another job because the second phase Sardsati ka start ho raha tha, because he came to us a little later. He started his own business. He started a franchise, a teaching institute, doing well. He tells us he wants to start 2 more. So what Saturn is telling you is let go of some things, because you cling on to things in your life. It's like you have that old t-shirt, that old shoe in your house, that old purse, that old wallet, that old belt, which solves no purpose, but is still sitting there. You need to clean up. Let go of it. Don't get attached to it. Number 1. Number 2, Saturn is now closer to the moon and starts transiting the moon. This is by far the roughest phase of Sardsati. We call it peak Sardsati.
Okay.
ये peak होता है. This peak is going to last about 2.5 years.
Okay.
In
The
this,
first phase, how long it was?
every phase is 2.5 years.
2.5 years. Okay.
First 2.5 years, learn to get over stuff, learn to give up stuff. ये transformational phase है. You have to accept new things that are coming in your life.
Okay.
In phase 2, you have to now say, okay, ये बहुत intense है. You will face emotional challenges. अगर आपका moon weak है, you're going to be completely hammered.
Oh.
You're going to be in trouble. If your moon is strong, you'll have some resilience, you'll have some understanding, some maturity, long-term growth सोचता इस time पे, because again, Saturn on moon is still sitting in the first house in the transit. So you can say, ये re-evaluation phase होता है. This is the phase when you evaluate your priorities. You evaluate what is necessary in life, what is not, and make adjustments. You've already let go of things in the first phase.
Right.
Career change है, career focus है, stronger determination. You start appreciating more what you have and less what you don't have. When this phase gets over, then phase 3 starts. वो सबसे easy phase होता है because it is considered to be Saturn is now going away from your moon.
Declining. Yeah.
Declining. In this case, you basically आपने जो effort, whatever you've learned from phase 1 and phase 2 will now be applied. You can reassess your financial and material situation. Saturn जो है ये थोड़े पैसे लॉस करके जाता है. I don't know people in Saraswati who've suddenly, done well. Even people who've gone public on the stock exchange, they have some options they can't sell. They have to lock it in. And they typically don't sell anything because they're locked in for a year and a half. So remember that. Foundation strong हो जाती है phase 3 में for sustained growth and for future opportunities. So to sum it up, the 3 phases of Saraswati are the first 2.5 years, which are discipline and hard work. Okay, you're not supposed to give up because the hard part is still coming. So have discipline, focus, work hard, have lots of perseverance in life. Those who embrace this will adapt to it well, but those who don't understand, it'll create havoc for you. Please go to an astrologer who can guide you through this. It is not hard to make your moon strong. It is not hard to reduce the effect of Saturn. We don't talk much about remedies, but this is one of those situations where you need help. I will not only be discussing remedies, but I'll also be explaining how, if moon is placed in each sign, what you need to do to mitigate the effect of Saturn. The second phase of Saraswati is karmic lesson का. Individuals जो learn करते हैं कि life में हमारा purpose क्या है, what is our gain, what do we have to do, what do we have to achieve, and finally phase 3 is a new beginning. With all that stuff behind you for 5 years, now you finally say, okay, I've learned my lesson, I've learned to appreciate, I've learned to work harder, and emotionally I'm so strong now that I won't take anything from anyone. Let it come my way, I could care less. Okay, you have more confidence, you have more wisdom. So this is what Saraswati does. So as we are growing older, we are getting wiser, we are getting more confident. Why? Because that phase is changing us.
Right.
अगर बच्चे को Saraswati आती है, we say it doesn't impact them. Why? Because Saturn is immature.
Yeah.
Moon is immature. सब planets immature हैं. तो बच्चे को Saraswati कैसे affect कर सकता है? Hardly. Hardly at all, right? So conclusion, while Saraswati is known for its challenges, it is a time of professional growth, of profound self-achievement. By fostering discipline, resilience, and self-awareness and growing where you think you should go in life. आप लाइफ में बहुत अटक रहे हो. There are many people who come and tell us, I've done everything for others, I've done nothing for myself. That could be one of two times when either Saturn is on moon or when Saturn is on Saturn.
Okay.
जब शनि शनि पे आता है, it represents a new chapter in your life, a new beginning. जब शनि मून पे आता है तो Saraswati होती है. That's when people say, okay, why am I going through this? I have suffered enough, I have done enough. And that is the time we say, okay, reevaluate your priorities so you can do better. ये जो 7.5 साल है, it's a slow phase for you. आपने जो effort मारा है, इसके results अब मिलेंगे आपको. If you've put effort, you'll get results. If you haven't,
You will get the results.
you will be, if you haven't put effort, you will be in trouble.
Yeah.
So, मैं यही कहता हूँ कि if आपकी दशा अच्छी है, Saturn strong है, ये योगा कारक planet है, Moon is strong, do it, go for it. Make the best use of your Saraswati, you will go very high in life. 25% of the world has Saraswati going on right now. One of the phases, phase
You're not
1, 2,
alone.
3. I am definitely not alone. Okay, we have this phase going on. So with 25%, why are you worried? 1 out of every 4 person has this dasha going on. And they're all alive, they're all dealing with it, they're all doing one thing or the other.
And growing well.
They are growing well.
Absolutely.
So you have to not get scared of this. हमने सिर्फ introduction दी है कि ये क्या होता है. Next time we'll talk about growth, professional growth, पर्सनल ग्रोथ, फाइनेंशियल ग्रोथ, रिलेशनशिप ग्रोथ, ये कैसे हो सकती है साठ सती में? व्हाट आर सम लेसन्स यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न इन साठ सती, राइट? पॉजिटिव ट्रेड्स क्या हैं, रेमेडीज क्या हैं? So this is not something you should worry. This is in fact something you should embrace and say, I know it is coming, right? एक exam होता है. When you're in school, you have exams. If you have studied, you're going to do well no matter what the questions are. If you have not studied at all, we know result क्या होगा. There is no way you're going to get all answers correct, ना?
Right.
अभी तो फिर भी questions have become A, B, C, D. Back in
कुछ
the
तो
days
तुक्का
we
लग
had to write.
जाएगा।
तुक्का नहीं लगता ना सैटर्न के साथ. He doesn't accept that.
जी।
There is no grace period, no saving with Saturn. This is not, again, अगर आपकी लाइफ में ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है, चीज़ें अटक के नहीं लेकिन चीज़ें हो ही नहीं रही, you're not happy, you're stressed, you're worried, people are not respecting you, people are, you know, looking down at you, your bosses are not happy, children are not happy, family is not happy. Check your chart. Go to an astrologer, see what can be done, how things can be fixed, how we can help you. You are not alone. The first step is going to get help. We help hundreds of people every month. You are not alone. In fact, you're lucky that you're getting exposure to an astrologer who can help you through life's course up and down. You go to a doctor. Why not go to an astrologer? What's the difference?
Absolutely. And thank you so much for explaining the Sade Sati and all the aspects so well. It cleared a lot of concepts in my mind and I'm sure with listeners too. If you would like to know more, of course आप सुन सकते हैं अगला show. We will be continuing that. But आप Dr. साकेत भाटिया से connect कर सकते हैं to know more about this and lot more. आपके stars क्या कहते हैं, where your planets are, क्या आपके लिए सही है अभी, क्या नहीं सही है, what is the time for you. Do get in touch with him and you will get to know all about that. 408-639-5300 is the number. 408-639-5300 is the direct number with which you can connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia, fix an appointment, meet and discuss everything about yourself. या फिर आप saketbhatia.com website पे जाइए, you will get all the information. Or you can write to him info@saketbhatia.com. सुन रहे थे आप अभी द साकेत भाटिया एस्ट्रोलॉजी शो, जहां डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया लाइव होते हैं रेडियो जिंदगी पर एवरी ट्यूसडे 4 to 5 p.m. We are almost done with the show time. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, and I hope to see you again next week.
Definitely. With that, this is RJ Vedika signing off. Keep listening to Radio Zindagi.
You are listening to Radio Zindagi. KZDG 50.